How to connect Bybit wallet to Bullx. So in this video I will show you how to connect your Bybit wallet to Bullx. Now after that, make sure you are logged into your Bullx. And after that, from the sidebar, click on wallet manager. Now after that, click on add wallet. And now as you can see, make sure to select this EVM. It stands for Ethereum virtual machine, I guess. Now after that, type the name of your wallet that you want to add. Now here in the address, now just go to your Bybit and make sure you are logged into your account. Now after that, click on deposit, and now after that, click on the the coin or the crypto. Now for example USDT, and now select the chain to BSC, and now after that, copy the wallet address. And after that, paste it here and click on add wallet. And after that, you have to wait 3 hours to be added to your Bullx. So this is how to add Bybit wallet to your Bullx. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.